Welcome to Calvin's Online Math. Let us solve this simple question. Solve for x, and you have x minus 2 over 3 minus 3 minus x over 4 is equal to x minus 2 over 2. So the first thing is just to multiply all through by the LCM of these three denominators to do away with the fractions. So the LCM for these three is 12. So it means we're going to have x minus 2 over 3 times 12 minus 3 minus x over 4 times 12 is equal to x minus 2 over 2 times 12. So when you do this, 3 here once, 3 here 4 times, 4 here once, 4 here 3, 2 here once, 2 here 6. So what we have is now 4 times this, that is 4 into x minus 2 minus 3 into 3 minus x is equal to 6 into x minus 2. So here we have 4x minus 8 minus 9 plus 3x is equal to 6x minus 12. Now we just collect like terms, that is 4x plus 3x. Then we bring 6 to the left, it becomes negative 6x. Then is equal to minus 12 plus 8 plus 9. So this is x is equal to 5, meaning the value of x is 5. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.